Hey guys, I'm running really late for my appointment. So I have a teeth whitening appointment for 2 o'clock. And so I have a teeth whitening appointment for 2 o'clock and I'm running really late. If I'm late by 5 minutes, I'm gonna charge me. So I'm literally walking really fast. And yeah, I'm carrying you guys along with me for the process. They promised to make my teeth 14 shades whiter, so I hope it is worth it. So yeah guys, I'll just take you guys along with me and let's see how this goes. I'll see you guys when I get there. I think I'm here now and I'll just be going in, so by the time you next see me, my teeth will be white. So yeah guys, I just got here now. It's so relaxing, I can't wait. And it's called the West Aesthetics. So they promised to make my teeth really white. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it and I'll get back to you guys.
Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is see what shade your teeth are at now. Okay. So you can hold the mirror. Turn this way for me, please. So I'd say you're in between a 20 and a 22. 22, 24.
Let me see how that looks like.
So that's these two here.
Really? I thought it was like the end.
No, it's not that bad.
Oh my god.
So
Okay.
the highest is 2 and the lowest is 40.
30, okay.
You are here.
Right.
These two. Take the mouthpiece out at the sink and rinse out. And after you finish rinsing, take one of your toothbrush and use some toothpaste. It's going to brush your teeth.
My teeth can be this clean. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Guys, look at my teeth. Toothbrush, guys. Oh, this is purple thing that's all over TikTok.
Yeah. So basically this works. I can't believe these
are my teeth. Oh my god.
This works as like purple shampoo would. You know how it takes
neutralizes, yeah.
Exactly. It's a color corrector.
Guys, so I'm gonna brush my teeth now with this purple shampoo. God, I can't believe this is my teeth.
for like a minute after you finish, rinse out, and after that you finish it. So I was saying you can't eat for 2 hours. The first 24 hours you need to be mindful of what you're eating. So you need to avoid any harsh coloured foods, you know, like curry, bolognese, stews, no smoking 24 hours, no shisha, no vape, no alcohol. No coffee, green tea or normal tea. Anything you eat and drink within the first 24 hours is going to take it in. So it could potentially revert back to its original shape. So it can even stain your teeth. So you just need to be mindful of what you're eating. So it's dry foods like bread, noodles, nothing of colour. You have stuff like chips, but not sauces like ketchup or fast food.
Can I have smoothie?
Smoothie, yes you can.
Can I have
or
smoothie?
like strawberry smoothies, like vanilla. And also drink with a straw.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, you just need to be mindful of that the first 24 hours. Any sensitivity you do feel can last anywhere up to 24 hours, but usually wears off within a few hours.
Yeah, I was in 22, 24, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this was it before.
No way. Jeez. This is clear.
Turn this way for me. So now I'd say you're in between a 12 and a 14. So you went up 10 shades.